Hello, welcome to my chemical reactions investigation video. Laws and theories. In order to properly explain my investigation, there is a theory that you need to understand. The law of conservation of mass, which is important to remember. It states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed, and where the total mass of a reactant is equal to its product. You will also need to learn 3 steps, which will help later on. These 3 are: number 1, reactants break bonds; 2, atoms begin to rearrange; and 3, new bonds form between rearranged atoms. The reaction. The chemical reaction was a single replacement reaction. It's a single replacement due to the zinc replacing the hydrogen. The outcome of the reaction/experiment will be hydrogen gas and zinc chlorine. The mole-to-mole ratio is 1 to 2. Evidence/reasoning. Hydrogen gas was formed and noticed by the odor and constant bubbles, as well as H2 leaving the tube via gas form. The mass of the beaker was almost the same. This is due to evaporation of the water, causing the beaker to lose its overall weight. The solution in the glass tube had become slightly warmer, which is due to the atoms rapidly moving around, which also shows us that the law of conservation of mass is evident. This is further supported by the picture on the bottom of the screen, showing us that the mass of the beaker before and after the experiment had not changed drastically. Now, some math to further support my claim, which has to do with the 1 to 2 ratio and the law of conservation. So we begin by multiplying chlorine and hydrogen by 0.015, and the end result is 0.03 moles remaining, leaving them all equal in moles. Zinc started with 0.015 and ended with 0.015. Chlorine had 0.03, ended with 0.03, and hydrogen had 0.03, ended with 0.03. In this reaction, we have 2 reactants and 2 products. A single replacement reaction takes place, as I said before. In order for this to happen, you must understand the bonds between the atoms as well. The bonds that zinc and HCl have are a metallic bond for zinc and a covalent bond for HCl. A metallic bond is a bond between a metal atom and a free-moving electron, or electrons, where a covalent bond is when atoms share electrons for bonding. ZnCl2 has an ionic bond, which is the attraction between a cation and anion, where H2 has a covalent bond, the same as HCl. Model. I modeled the reaction here. It shows zinc replacing the hydrogen. The results from the reaction show us that zinc and chlorine form an ionic bond, leaving the hydrogen, which forms a covalent bond. The mole equation. The ratio between hydrogen chlorine and zinc should be 1 to 2, meaning hydrogen chlorine HCl should be twice the amount of zinc. You can see the equations me and my partner used in our experiment to figure out how much of the substance we would use. We decided to use 0.9807 grams of zinc and 0.005 liters of hydrogen chlorine HCl. BCA table. Looking at the BCA table, you can see that we used all of our original substance and ended up with 0.05 of our new substance. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope you learned something, and have a great day.